Hello boys and girls, I'm sorry I can't be with you today. I just thought I'd make a quick video showing you guys how to make some really cool snowflakes. In this packet I have some patterns I'll show you in a few moments. These are just an example of a few of the different designs that you might end up with if you so choose to copy those designs. Okay, you're also welcome to create your own if you would like. So on this page, you can see it shows you how to make a square. So if you need to make squares, you just line those edges up, you draw a line here, and then snip away. Another way to do it is you just make sure that your papers are the same size. You overlap them like this. You draw a line there and then snip away. Okay, I have made pre-cut squares for you. And over here, you can see the steps. So first we have that. So the second step, we're gonna fold it in half, like so. Then you're gonna fold it in half once more. Once you're here, we're going to kind of give our paper a hug. All right, so, or if you think about folding it one way like this, and then the other way. Nope, that's not gonna work. I give my paper a hug. I was gonna try it that way. So I kind of start to make a cone like that, and you end up with a nice point over here, and your side should be about equal, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to snip this part away. I have one pre-made over here, and I just want to show you, if you don't snip away those corners, you're going to end up with a square. And we snip away the corners, and when we open it up, we have a sphere, okay? I'm going to put that to the side. I'm not going to fight with putting it down. So the next thing you're going to do is you get to select which kind of pattern you want to try to draw, okay? There's some more on the back. Some of them are pretty complicated, and then some of them are a little bit easier, like these up front. These are more simple. Or again, if you want to create your own design, you can. And so I am going to try and do the snowman. So I start by drawing out my shape. And if things don't turn out exactly like you see in the book, guess what? It is okay, because each snowflake is unique, okay? I'm gonna do that. I'm probably not gonna cut out that smile, or sorry, the eye, but we can put some of these here. And then there's that shape down here. One more here. And then I think that one looks like that. Okay, so now I have my pieces drawn. So I'm gonna start to cut away. You don't wanna cut out your snowman per se, but you're gonna cut around all the pieces behind him. So this can be a little bit tricky, but if you take your time and you're careful, it can turn out okay. If you notice what I'm doing, I cut away small pieces at a time. So that way I can ensure that my snowman, oops, doesn't completely fall apart. I'm just gonna cut that down. It's getting in my way. Things get in your way, cut them away. So that way they're no longer a problem. So I'm just cutting away slowly, and snip that off. So while I'm continuing to cut, let's do some reminders. So all of these beautiful little paper scraps absolutely need to make it into the garbage cans, okay? So we have 4 big garbage cans throughout the room. Maybe at the end of class, we can drag them closer to the tables and swipe like this. So swipe from the table into the garbage can. That way our classroom stays nice and our maintenance people are happy. Remember, it's the holiday season. We don't want to make more work for people, right? All right, almost done. You can see how we now have a little snowman shape. Last few snips. And remember, take your time. If you start to rush, that's when accidents happen. Notice how I push the snowman to make kind of a circular cut like that. And last but not least, our snowman's little mouth. There we go. And when I open up, we're going to have a little snowman snowflake. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. Take care. See you next week.